So let's recap all the special character. And means pick up a name on a level 0, level 1, level 2, whatever level. You just pick up a node name and place it and use it into our output. So that can be used with the shift operation. Asterisk means for loop. Asterisk means iterating over objects. It can be used with the shift, remove, cardinality, modify default beta, and modify override beta. So asterisk means iterate over. At the rate means go and look for a field's value. So at the rate means will go on a particular level and look for a particular field value. So look up into input JSON on a given level. It can be used with shift, modify default beta, and modify override beta. Dollar means all just field name. So these are all field names only. Hash means default value in left hand side, and RHS in hash is in RHS. That time it defines that how object is created, how array object is created. Uh, One object with all the fields as a array, or separate field as a separate object, or all separate fields and values separate. All these three combination can be considered using hash. Pipe means when you are uncertain about input. Input name will be like customer name or full name. So in that case you can use a pipe character to specify that either you get a name or you get a customer name, pick up that value and put it in output.